Hello guys and welcome to my QC, and today we'll see about date picker plugin in Jquery. So now I have a form that also having a field date field, but I'm not added it. So first of all we need to take the plugin of the Bootstrap Datepicker. So I added it, CDN link and also JavaScript thing. Yeah, it was there. So I added it already. So if you want this, you can go through CD and JS. So Bootstrap Datepicker CD and CDN. Now it used to give cdnjs.com plugin. So you can copy this min.js, this min.js, min.css and min.js. It was over there. So once you added that, and we also have a form. So and this is the form, and I added a date picker ID over there. So first thing that, so in script tag, so in the script tag, the document out, document.ready function first. So that's it. Let's see it was working or not first. Just reload the page. So it was working. So now we should enable the date picker. So where should we enable that? This is the form, right? So here we have to enable. So already I given date picker ID. So we used to take that. So date picker, and it is used to take a date picker method to enable that. So now if I refresh it, let's see, it should be enabled now. So it is enabled. So now we should add few things to the date picker, like it would be like few methods: start date, end date, and format, auto close, and all. So first I used to add auto close. So auto close in the sense when I click on it, it should be closed. So for that, auto close true. So reload the page and select any date. So it was not closing it. So auto close true. It was a perfect, but so okay, let's see the documentation. Bootstrap Datepicker. Yeah, so we can see the options, and this is called auto close, right? So auto close. So I given a caps there, so it is not actually caps, the small letter only. So now reload it. So click on a date, and if you select anything, it was closed. And also you can see there is a couple of options that we used to take some important thing like a start date. So now start date, it is used to be last 30 days only. So now reload it, go there and go back to last month. So see, August 27, it was the last date you can able to select. We can't able to even choose any other month because of it is used to given only 30 days. And also today is the 26th, I think, so you can't even select after 26th. So now that is called end date. So end date, new date. If you refresh it and see, you can't select after 26. So now also we'll see the format. So in this format you can go to options, that there you can see it is the default format, so that we can use some other format, so like iPhone instead of slash. So the format means month, DD for date, and Y for year. So refresh it, and if you select anything, that it is used to be now instead of slash it was displaying iPhone. And also let's see few other things like clear button. So you will see that plugin. See, it's a clear button, so it won't be place any dates over there, it will remove. So now color clear button is true. Save it and refresh it. I have it clear now. Can just clear it. There is no date. And also I want to close these weekdays, Saturday and Sundays. So it have a method called days of week disabled. So days of week disabled is a method that how to use this one. So you see the options over there in the documentation. So you can also pass like 0,6, 0,6 in array type. So now I'm passing in an array 0,6. We go there and see select. Now you can't select these weekdays. So because of that we use disabled days of week disabled. And also we'll see how to use some events. So like we have the many events that the events will fire after click on after click any date, or after closing the form, or when you open the form. So there is events. So we have many events there, but I'll explain you the hide. Whenever you hide the form, means whenever the closing the form, this event will fire. Okay, so you can also show what it may be that. So I could use hide will be fired whenever date picker is hidden. So change date when the date is changed. Okay, I'll use the change date for this example. So it could be easy. So you should use like here on change date. Change date, comma function, so now it will rise when you change the date. So you just alert it, alert date, so error date. So place E over here. That's it. Just refresh it. Let's see, it might work. Okay, it wasn't actually. So let's check console. Okay, this is not an alert. I have written the wrong over there. It's an alert. So now refresh it. I think it will work now. Yes, this is the change date, September 19th. You can also see that it's the 23. So I hope you like the video, and you can follow this documentation. You can find some more methods and use those methods, and it's a very good plugin. And thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.